How to start the year right? Well, this question always pops up in the minds of the teachers whenever a new academic session is to begin. It is said in English that well begun is half done. Therefore, for teachers, if they start the year on a right note, then they have achieved a lot in the beginning itself. So friends, here in this video, I am going to share some of the tips for teachers starting the year right. First of all, every teacher needs to get organized before the beginning of a session. Getting organized means getting ready with personal papers, classroom materials, even tables and chairs for the students. This requires planning, and this has to be done prior to the beginning of the session. Second tip is to establish the rules. Yes, teachers need to set and be very clear with the classroom rules. What would be these classroom rules? I would like to elaborate a little bit on this. There are 5 golden rules to get organized. The first one is to introduce yourself. A teacher needs to share an autobiographical sketch with his or her students. So this gives the students an idea about the teacher's background. Second golden rule, make a good impression. How to make a good impression? Yes, by letting the students know that you are prepared. So every time you enter a class, you need to be prepared with what you are going to deliver. The third rule, be clear. Tell your students exactly what you expect from them. Yes, that's true. You should be very clear on what do you expect your students to come out with in the course of teaching and learning. The fourth golden rule, learn the names of the students as quickly as you can. Very important. Yes, knowing the students by name makes the task of the teacher easier, not only in controlling the class, but also in understanding each and every student as an individual. The fifth golden rule, foster curiosity. Yes, if you want learning to take place, there has to be an atmosphere which encourages and rewards curiosity. So these are the 5 golden rules which are important for the teachers. Hope that you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel VIVEK'S Zone. Your comments will always be valuable to better my videos for you. So see you again. For now, bye-bye.